Why does tenant satisfaction in Westminster housing estates regarding repairs and repair times remain at 63%, leaving Westminster mid-table in London despite repeated organisational change?
Cllr Begum.
I am actually really surprised by that question because our repairs performance has consistently improved in the last few years. Our emergency repairs have got 95% satisfaction, and we've done, while I absolutely acknowledge that some of our residents do have issues with repairs, we have worked really hard to improve our repair service, and we've got the lowest work in progress we've ever had, with just over 2,000 jobs. So yeah, I'm actually quite surprised by that question.
You have a supplementary?
Yes, please. Thank you, Lord Mayor. How does the Cabinet member explain materially higher repair satisfaction in boroughs facing similar pressures but operating more traditional outsourced contracts? Examples include Waltham Forest, Kingston upon Thames, and Hackney, as well as inner city comparators like Manchester.
Thank you. Cllr Begum.
So I haven't done any benchmarking against other councils, but when the regulator of social housing, we have done benchmarking. I don't have the numbers off the top of my head. And when we had the regulator of social housing, we got a C1. One of the things that they were impressed about was the plans we had around repairs. I've been working with the contractors that I inherited in under the former administration, and I think we've had a lot more oversight and management over our contracts, and I think we've done a really good job under the circumstances, and I'm really excited to bring the strategic alliance model where we will have more oversight, accountability and management over our contractors and a lot more collaboration.